I'm just feeling where it's going to end, right about there. That's not so bad, right? Good. A little more.
Ow.
There you go. Home run. T6, we're going to set it as a PRIT. Let's do a transverse contact first. There you go. And a little tiny bit more. This one's easy. Hard part's over. That's it. Shoulders down, shoulders down, down.
Oh my god. Oh.
Gotcha. Good.
Whoa!
Oh, yeah.
Jeez.
Ah, I wish I could have done that.
Jeez.
Oh, man.
That was a big move.
Good.
Good.
Gotta get the right angle. There it is. Nice and easy. No moving. One more. There.
Oh my god.
That's that one. Here. Easy. Easy. Good.
Oh my god.
Okay? Yes. In here. Good.
Excellent. Boy, oh boy.
Ich brauche ein bisschen freie Hände. Gib mir einfach das Gewicht vom Kopf. Ich versuche mich selber zu halten. Okay. Ich drehe erstmal, um zu gucken, wie weit du kannst. Oh, weit. Da ist Schluss, ne? Okay.
Neutral, and then a small lift in that direction. Just holding it for a second. Yeah, that one's all good.
There's your next start to go already. Feel that? Oh yeah, this guy's a big self-adjuster.
Yeah.
Which is terrible, people. Stop self-adjusting. Good.
And what I want is your hands on top of mine up here. Right, all the way up, yeah. And then interlock your fingers right on top of mine and squeeze down. A little harder. And breathe in deep. And fall back. Look up.
Wait, look up.
You did perfect.
Oh, I did?
No, I've never done this one before. All the way over.
Whoa.
Let your head relax all the way over right there.
Whoa. Whoa. You hear that?
That's a good response. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna... So right here at L5, that's where we're going to do the adjustment. So big deep breath in and out.
Whoa, that's crazy. Weird.
Good response.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
Alias, incus, and stapes. So I'm going to grab her earlobe. There it is, right there. You heard it. And on both sides. Good job. Wow.
Right there. And right here. This is where the big hump is. No, relax, relax. You gotta relax. You got it. Okay, come up. Face down. Relax, relax. You gotta get the right angle here. There it is. It's right there. Good.
Oh my word.
My goodness.
Easy. Right there. Good.
Oh.